hair, makeup, nails, bitch, yes, I slay. I be giving face, eyebrows on swim.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're mixing this red wine and vodka punch inside IV bag. Y'all know we always gotta do something off the wall, so we're mixing this in the IV bag, and the only reason is because this video was really meant to be a Halloween video. It still can be a Halloween idea, because once you put this mixture in the bag, it looks like blood. And it also can be like a nurse, a doctor, a medical school graduation party type of situation. But guys, stay tuned and watch how I do this. And y'all, as far as the ingredients, I'm going to use this like a 3-ingredient cocktail or vodka, wine and vodka punch. I'm not going to use much. 2 ingredients are mandatory to make the red wine and vodka punch, but 1 ingredient was optional. I'm using the Stella Rosa, because that was like the red that I wanted to add in the blood bags or in the IV bags. And I'm also using Skyy Vodka as my vodka option. You can use any brand of vodka. It's all the same to me. And for my optional ingredient was this particular brand of triple sec, because it is very sweet and I like my drinks very sweet, so I had to use this. But again, if you want to, you can opt out and just use the first 2 ingredients. And to successfully create my red wine and vodka punch, I will definitely be needing this mixer or this cocktail mixer. I'm not going to shake, but I'm definitely going to mix, and you guys will see me do that later. You're also going to need these IV bags, and I got these off of Amazon, and I will try my best to link them down in the description box so you can get these exact IV bags off Amazon to create your cocktail, whatever you want to mix into these IV bags. You're also going to need a syringe to fill the IV bags, and they gave me these little white gadgets to to close my straw actually, and I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll show you guys how to slide them on the IV bags and close your straw so there won't be any leaking or anything once you make these IV bags for your event. And another great thing these IV bags came with are these IV bag labels. They're blood types, and all these labels say red blood cells. It just makes it seem more real, and and that's perfect for a Halloween party. Okay guys, now on to the mixing portion of this video. First things first, I'm going to grab my cocktail mixer, and then I'm going to grab the Stella Rosa, and I'm going to add that in first. I'm only adding 2 cups just because I'm only mixing 2 of the IV bags. I'm only making 2 of the IV bags for the purpose of this video. I'm not going to fill all 12, but if you are filling all 12, you may need to use the whole bottle. But for 2 bags, I'm using just 2 cups of Stella Rose, and I also am just using 1 cup of vodka and 1 cup of triple sec, and that will even everything out for me. I put more wine in than I put vodka, but either way you want to do it, however you feel like, you can experiment and test it out, see how you like it. I like it this way. It came out perfect for me, and this is a quick and easy recipe, very simple. Once everything is mixed, I'm just going to swirl my mixer around in kind of like a back and forth motion, not trying to shake it too much because I do not want the wine to be flat. And I'm only shaking for 10 seconds very gently. And now once you are done shaking for that 10 seconds, it's time to grab your syringe and fill your IV bags. And now you guys can just watch how I'm filling the IV bags. There's no special technique. It's just really simple and easy. You just connect the syringe to the IV bag and just put your alcohol into your IV bags. And you guys can watch me try to fill this one IV bag. And I think I had to refill the syringe like 5 times just to get the IV bag filled completely. So yeah. Okay, now I got one IV bag completely filled. I am going to place my straw lock to lock the straw to prevent spills or anything until it's ready for them to be served. I'm just clamping the straw lock on, and you want to do this to all of the IV bags that you create or all the IV bags that you fill, because you don't want any spills. And y'all know how red wine is. When it spills on carpet or any type of fabric, it's very disturbing and tragic. You don't want that to happen. So definitely use these straw locks. And lastly, guys, what I will be doing is popping on these labels just to make everything come together. Once our red wine and vodka punch cocktail is complete, everything looks perfect, and these labels just make everything look that much better for our IV bags filled with blood. And lastly, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that post notification bell to be notified when I post another video. And also make sure, once again, that you comment down below to be drafted into my subscriber shout out segment. And thank you guys for watching. Again, I'll see you in my next video.